my name is Charles Mott, and this is my instructional video on how to build your own camera slider. Right here I have a camera slider that I built from Home Depot for about $20. In this video I'm going to show you where to find all the parts and how to build it. Enjoy.
Alright, when you get to Home Depot, here's a quick view of what you're going to be looking for. The parts needed for this build. The first aisle you need to go to is electrical. You will find two 1/2-inch knockout electrical boxes, one 3/4-inch knockout electrical boxes, and you also need to pick up 3 electrical box covers, a 5-pack of 1/2-inch screw connectors, 2 5-foot by 1/2-inch conduit pipes, and next you will need to go to the plumbing aisle. There you will pick up a 3/4-inch by 2-foot piece of PVC. Next, head to the tools aisle where you will find the last piece of the puzzle, which is the Empire line level set. Alright, here's a quick view of the tools you'll need. You can pause this and write these down if you need to. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take the screw set connectors and place them on the end of your conduit. You can easily do this with your Phillips head screwdriver, like so. Once you've completed that, you will now need to cut your PVC pipe into 2 10-inch lengths. Mark it with a pencil, and then grab your hacksaw and cut the PVC pipe into 2 10-inch pieces. Alright, the next thing we're going to need to do is knock out the 2 outside holes on the electrical gang boxes. This is easily done with a screwdriver, and then grab a pair of side cutters or pliers to pry and twist off the knockout. Alright, as you can see, you're going to want to take out both this side and this side, leaving in the middles. And once you've done that to both gang boxes, here you can see I have done it to both, only 2 on each side, and leave all the rest. Then you will have to take your gang box with the 3/4-inch knockouts and knock out 4 of them, all 4 from the long side. Alright, so now we're going to be taking one end of the slider and connecting it. So we will unscrew the washer and stick it into the gang box and just screw that back on. So you need to connect both of them like this. Now we're going to set up the base. So we're going to take those 2 10-inch lengths that we cut earlier, and we're going to slide them into the 3/4 knockout electrical gang box, like so. And at this time you can actually take one of your plate covers and we are going to connect it to the mounting base. So this base is actually what you're going to attach the camera to on the slider. So grab that, grab your Phillips head screwdriver again, and connect that up. Okay, the easiest way that I found and the cheapest way to keep the pipes into the 3/4-inch knockout gang box is with a couple 1-inch strips of duct tape. If you have better ways of doing it, obviously you can do that with some maybe washers and super glue, but for time constraints I found it easy just to use some duct tape, and as I will demonstrate here in a moment, it keeps it from sliding. So you're going to want to put that on both sides on both pieces. Alright, so once you have that camera base, you're going to slide it onto the railing that you've made. And now we need to connect the other end. So we're going to put those screw set connectors onto the other end. Screw those in with the Phillips head screwdriver, like so. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to have to take off the screws and take off the other one. And obviously you're just going to place those into the 1/2-inch knockout electrical gang box just like on the other end. And on both ends you're going to want to connect the other 2 wall plate covers. And once you've done that, you have completed your camera slider. It's up to you to figure out how you want to connect the camera. I kind of built this kind of generic so that you could see just the basics of a slider, and I mean there's many different applications you can use this for. And right now you're actually seeing some footage that I shot with this camera slider I built. I hope this video has been informative to you, and go out there and make your own camera slider.